We're going to start here with the latest on the pandemic, which is accelerating across the planet. According to the World Health Organization, there have been more cases reported in the past 2 weeks than during the entire first 6 months of this crisis.
The U.S. has now confirmed nearly 26 million COVID-19 cases, meaning about 1 in every 12 Americans has tested positive for the virus. And the CDC issuing a new order overnight requiring face masks for all travelers using public transportation, which will take effect for the start of Tuesday.
And there are hopes a new vaccine could be on the horizon. Johnson & Johnson plans to request emergency use authorization from the FDA as early as next week. ABC's Trevor Ault is at Yankee Stadium, which is being turned into a mass vaccination site for New Yorkers, with the very latest. Trevor, good morning to you.
Good morning. With the CDC now says 27 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine have been administered nationwide. The rollout is slowly gaining steam after its sluggish start, but this virus is not going to wait around for us to pick up the pace. And now the focus of many health officials is on the new variants that are spreading around the world and here in the U.S.
This morning, the U.S. racing to develop herd immunity as coronavirus continues to mutate and evolve. 434 cases of the UK variant have now been detected in 30 states, as well as the first cases of a variant from Brazil and 2 cases of a variant from South Africa. But Dr. Anthony Fauci says the variant he's most worried about is the one that hasn't happened yet.
You could always make a vaccine pretty quickly with this advanced technology that you could address a given mutant. But it is concerning.
Johnson & Johnson says trials for its vaccine show efficacy takes hold in 7 to 10 days. Its 66% overall efficacy is lower than its counterparts, but it's shown it could be up to 100% effective in preventing hospitalization and death.
With more vaccines becoming available, then we will move more quickly to immunization of the entire population and herd immunity, which is what we need to stop this pandemic.
Unlike Pfizer and Moderna's vaccine, Johnson & Johnson's is a single-dose, one-and-done shot, and it doesn't need to be stored at sub-zero temperatures. On average right now, the U.S. is vaccinating 1.2 million Americans a day, and FEMA is now providing $1 billion in support to vaccination sites. But so far, only 7 states have vaccinated more than 10% of their populations, and many locations are desperate to find the necessary staffing.
So we would really love help with individuals who are medically trained and non-medically trained.
In New York City, Yankee Stadium is opening up as the latest mass vaccination site, and amid positive trends nationally, Governor Andrew Cuomo says the holiday surge has ended. Now restaurants can reopen to 25% on Valentine's Day, with weddings at 50% capacity a month later.
I don't want to create any personal pressure, but here's an idea that you may want to consider. You propose on Valentine's Day, and then you can have the wedding ceremony March 15th.
And so far, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine has shown to be effective against every mutation of the virus we can test, though its efficacy did drop against the South Africa variant. And all of this is playing out as the CDC now projects next month we will eclipse 500,000 American lives lost to COVID-19. We already lost 90,000 this month alone. Eva?
Those numbers, Trevor, thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.